This poem is called Latitude, Longitude, Dreams. Latitude and longitude, I have it opened here in another browser. They are imaginary lines that are used to help navigators know where places are located on a globe. So latitude go this way, longitude go that way. And I'm going to go back to here. I will tell you there are some very big vocabulary words. I will go back at the end and explain everything. For the first read, I'm going to do my best to make sure it flows. Magellan moved via stars, steered his ship by celestial rays. Columbus sailed on over the edge, discovering land and waterways. They traversed their dreams, set their course, voyaging over oceans and seas, etching earth with invisible designs, crossing rivers, ice, and trees. These lines that slide from pole to pole, wrapping around the watery girth, coordinate all of us on this globe, our home, our ship, our planet Earth. So a few things. Magellan, that's how you say that, is a famous explorer. And I don't know why it won't let me do that. Oh, I guess I needed to have something to look at that one. Anyway, he's a famous explorer. Back to my poem. We read about Columbus in Pedro's journal. Celestial means like things up in the sky, the night sky, or outer space. Waterways would be streams and rivers. Traversed is one of our vocabulary words. Moved, across, traveled through. Oh, I forgot via up here. Via, by way of or means. So he moved by watching the stars. He studied the stars and was able to figure out the directions. Voyaging is going on a trip. Etching, I don't know why that's not on there, but I think the easiest way I can think of etching is when you might have a cold window or an icy window or glass door, and you take your finger and you draw like a smiley face on it or write your name. That's etching. It's kind of like writing, but it doesn't stay there. So these, let's see, these lines that slide from pole to pole, that is the longitude and latitude here. Longitude goes from pole to pole. And then the wrapping around the watery girth, that means going around the whole globe. That's talking about the lines of latitude. And I think that coordinate means everybody gets together and is on the same page. This is a pretty interesting poem. There's more rhyme here than the previous poem. We have in each stanza rhyming rays and ways, seas and trees, and then girth and earth. This poem is a little complicated, but I hope you enjoyed it, and if you need more help with it, just ask me or your teacher.